Hello, children. Today we are going to see some letters in English and also the sounds associated with those letters. So basically, we are going to see the sounds, the letters and their respective sounds. Shall we begin? Now we are going to see the letters. There are 26 letters in English. In that, 5 letters are vowels and the remaining 21 letters are consonants. So now we shall begin with all the letters one by one. Shall we see what is the first letter? The first letter, this is the first letter. The first letter is the letter A. The first letter is the letter A. A is the letter and the sound of the letter A is A. The sound of the letter A is A. A is the letter, A is the sound. A is the letter, A is the sound. After A comes the letter B. After A comes the letter B. So, the sound of the letter B is B. The sound of the letter B is B. B is the letter, B is the sound. B is the letter, B is the sound. After B comes the letter C. After B comes the letter C. C makes the sound K. C makes the sound K. C is the letter, K is the sound. C is the letter, K is the sound. After C comes the letter D. After C comes the letter D. D makes the sound D. D makes the sound D. D is the letter, D is the sound. D is the letter, D is the sound. After D comes the letter E. After D comes the letter E. So, the letter E makes the sound E. The letter E makes the sound E. E is the letter, E is the sound. E is the letter, E is the sound. After E comes the letter F. After E comes the letter F. F is the letter and the sound that this letter makes is when you say this sound, all your upper row teeth comes and settles on your lower lip and the air comes through the gap of the teeth. So, F is the letter, F is the sound. F is the letter, F is the sound. After F comes the letter G. After F comes the letter G. So, G letter makes the sound G. G letter makes the sound G. G is the letter, G is the sound. G is the letter, G is the sound. After G comes the letter H. After G comes the letter H. The sound of the letter H is H. The sound of the letter H is H. When you say the sound of this letter, keep one of your palm in front of your mouth and blow that air out as though you are gasping for breath. Only that air comes out. So the sound of the letter H is H is the letter, is the sound. H is the letter, is the sound. After H comes the letter I. After H comes the letter I. So the sound of the letter I is E. The sound of the letter I is E. I is the letter, E is the sound. I is the letter, E is the sound. After I comes the letter J. After I comes the letter J. The sound of the letter J is J. The sound of the letter J is J. J is the letter, J is the sound. J is the letter, J is the sound. After J comes the letter K. After J comes the letter K. The sound of the letter K is K. The sound of the letter K is K. K is the letter, K is the sound. K is the letter, K is the sound. After K comes the letter L. After K comes the letter L. The sound of the letter L is L. When you say the sound of this letter, your tongue rolls up to the upper jaw and makes the sound L. 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 The sound of the letter L is L. L is the letter, L is the sound. L is the letter, L is the sound. After L comes the letter M. After L comes the letter M. The sound of this letter M is M. The sound of the letter M is M. When you say the sound of this letter, both your lips, upper lip and the lower lip, curls in together and makes the sound M. They both fold in together and makes the sound M. M. M is the letter, M is the sound. M is the letter, M is the sound. Okay, children. So today we saw 13 letters. The letters are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L and M. Okay, so these are the letters. The sounds of all these letters are A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, E, J, K, L, M. Okay, we shall see the rest of the letters in the next class. Thank you, children. We will see the rest of the letters in the next class.
Thank you for watching our Homeschooling Learn to Lead channel. Please subscribe our channel for Lead to Learn.